Look in my eyes, you see some lust and love. Look in my eyes when I'm singing for you. I'll take my life into my own hands. I'm the one I will blame. I'm the one that understands me. What are we gonna do? Got the strength to move. It's what are we gonna do? I'm asking you. In our safety, comfort and complacency, just hurt me so. What are we gonna do? Well, we still got the strength to move. What are we gonna do? Thanks a lot. Good night. Thanks a lot.
Cheers.